Hello viewer, we are going to take our text to write. So change the color of the text first. Then we will go to make the further designs into that. So we can remove that design. Then pick up the essentials. Here are the highlights. So we will use the shape on it. Make that shape design. Create a clipping mask on that. So let's move it. Then choose the pattern stem for it. So we will remove it first.